Lenovo Flex 7i. Break your creativity, gaming, streaming and productivity barriers with the Intel EVO certified Lenovo Flex 7i. Featuring 13th generation Intel Core processors for real-world multitasking and performance that scales up as your workload intensifies. Video chat, game or edit 3D videos. Your system keeps cool and quiet under heavy loads thanks to its intelligent cooling fan system, which optimizes for quiet, balance and performance depending on your needs. And up to 1 TB PCIe SSD offers near limitless storage at blazing speeds. Multitask seamlessly with cutting-edge Intel EVO processing and plenty of memory and storage. Rotate the hinge into tent or stand modes to watch your shows, or switch to tablet mode to browse through as you hold the ultra-thin and light stone blue chassis that slims down to 17.4 mm and weighs just 1.5 kg. Rugged and ergonomic, the drop-down hinge has been durability tested 25,000 times, gently lifting the keyboard to cover the display's bottom bezel and afford users a more comfortable typing angle and larger screen ratio. Stunning realistic color, sharp contrast and vivid detail with an up-to 2.2K 14 inches display that features 100% sRGB color gamut for enhanced photorealism and 300 nits brightness for easier outdoors viewing. Cut down on eye strain with TUV certification and elevate your visual field with a taller 1610 display sporting narrow bezels on all sides and a drop-down hinge for a greater THAN 90% screen-to-body ratio. Start, charge and connect faster. Do things faster, better and at a lower latency with 2 hours of battery life on a 15-minute charge via Rapid Charge Boost, secure and effortless login with a fingerprint sensor and Wi-Fi 6E, offering dedicated high-speed channels and no legacy Wi-Fi interference for seamless video conferencing, cloud gaming and other real-time applications. Access universal cable connectivity from Type-C port charging and Thunderbolt 4.0. which can connect multiple devices such as two 4K monitors while delivering 40 gigabits per second bidirectional bandwidth. Draw and note naturally with the Lenovo E-Color Pen with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Touch-style fingerprint reader.